Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back for another lesson. We're back in Surat al Baqarah, and we've reached, by the blessing of Allah, ayahs number 230 and 231. So we are here, we're starting off from here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Fa in طلقها. You have noon sakina followed by a ta that makes this ikhfa. فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا. So طَلَّ, this lam has a shadda. So فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا. So طَلَّقَهَا. فَلَا تَحِلُّ. فَلَا, this alif is right after the lam. فَلَا تَحِلُّ. تَحِلُّ لَهُ min, but it's followed by a ba. There's a little mim to help you, and that it's said as min ba'du. Okay? Min ba'du hatta. This long alif here, just hatta is extended just slightly. Hatta tankiha. This is ta followed by a noon sakina, if you recall. That makes this, right? So you say tankiha. Okay? Tankiha zawjan غيره. زوجا غيره. We're back to now the same formation of this ayah. فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا. Okay, same formation. So فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا جُنَاحَ. جُنَاحَ. Okay. عَلَيْ. So this is ayn, alay, with the ya and the sukoon over it, followed by, well, before it we have a fatha. Alayhi, this is a ha, kasra. Alayhima, alayhima. And then the ma is just extended slightly. As you know, this is called med, right? Alayhima. And then you have an, but it's followed by ya. When noon sakina, noon with a sukoon, no movement on top, is followed by ya, it makes a different sound, right? Instead of an yata, becomes alayhima ayyata. So ayyatara, yatara. So yatara ja'a. أن يتراجعا. So يتراجعا. Back to in. Okay. إن ظن. So you have إن ظن أن يقيم, because you have a ya after the noon sakina, just like up here. أن يقيم حدود الله. So ظن أن يقيم حدود الله. Okay, hopefully that's clear. وتلك حدود. So وتلك حدود. Hududullahi. Hududullahi. This waw extends the dal slightly. So it's Hududullahi. وَتِلْكَ حُدُودُ اللَّهِ يُبَيِّنُهَا. يُبَيِّنُهَا. You, ya, dhamma, ya. So that's you. Bay. The ya has a shadda on it with a kasra. Yubayyinuha. يبينها لقوم يعلمون. لقوم يعلمون. But if you have a tanween kasratain followed by a ya, لقوم يعلمون. وتلك حدود الله يبينها. وتلك حدود الله يبينها لقوم يعلمون. Okay, sorry, it's another short ayah. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. We ended at 2:30. Inshallah, we'll see you next time for the next ayah. Wassalamu alaikum.